How to make people truly listen: the psychology of powerful communication. Happily, we meet again today in a new important video. We're about to discuss a topic that almost we all suffer of it. Let's start to enjoy its details. Have you ever felt like your words just disappear? Like you're talking, but no one's truly listening? What if I told you there's a science, an art, to making people truly lean in and listen to every word you say? Hey everyone, and welcome back. This is Motive Set Channel. Today, we're unlocking a superpower, the ability to make people listen. This isn't about manipulation, it's about effective communication. Whether you're trying to connect with a loved one, pitch an idea at work, or simply share your thoughts, being heard is fundamental. Why is this so crucial? Because true listening builds bridges. It fosters trust, avoids misunderstandings, and is the bedrock of influence and effective leadership. When people genuinely listen, they don't just hear sounds, they absorb your message, engage with your ideas, and can be profoundly influenced by your perspective. The psychology behind attention. So, how do we tap into this? It starts with understanding the human mind. Let's dive into the psychology of attention and listening. First, there's selective attention. Our brains are constantly filtering information. We naturally tune into what's most relevant or interesting to us. If your message isn't hitting that relevance button, it's getting filtered out. Second, cognitive processing. Our brains prefer information that's organized, clear, and easy to digest. Overly complex or scattered messages are mentally taxing, and people will simply tune out. Third, emotion and engagement. Messages that spark an emotional response, positive or negative, grab attention. When you engage listeners emotionally or intellectually, their level of active listening skyrockets. And finally, confirmation bias. We all have a tendency to seek out information that confirms what we already believe and ignore what challenges it. Be mindful of this when presenting new or differing ideas. Verbal communication strategies: what you say and how you say it. Now that we understand the why, let's get to the how. We'll start with verbal communication, the words you choose and how you deliver them. 1. Clarity and conciseness. Get straight to the point. In today's fast-paced world, brevity is king. Avoid rambling. Your message should be like a laser, not a floodlight. 2. The power of storytelling. Facts tell, but stories sell. Our brains are wired for narratives. Use engaging stories and real-life examples to illustrate your points. Make your message relatable by connecting it to your audience's potential experiences. 3. Vary your voice. Monotony is the enemy of attention. Change your tone, speaking speed, and volume. Use impactful pauses to emphasize key points or give your audience time to process important information. 4. Ask engaging questions. Don't just deliver information, invite participation. Ask thought-provoking questions that make your listeners actively think, even if they're just thinking to themselves. For direct conversations, use questions to pull individuals into the dialogue. 5. Leverage numbers and impactful facts. Start with a surprising statistic or a compelling fact to grab immediate attention. Support your points with credible and interesting data. Data adds weight and authority to your message. Nonverbal communication strategies, body language. Beyond your words, Your body speaks volumes. Nonverbal communication is incredibly powerful in making people listen. We start with 1. Eye contact. Maintain appropriate eye contact. It signals confidence, sincerity, and genuine interest. In group settings, distribute your gaze evenly so everyone feels included and engaged. 2. Confident posture. Stand or sit in an open, confident posture, shoulders back, chest open, arms uncrossed. This projects authority and approachability. Leaning slightly forward shows engagement and eagerness to connect. 3. Expressive gestures. Use natural, expressive hand and arm gestures to reinforce your message and add vitality. But be mindful, avoid repetitive or nervous gestures that can distract your audience. 4. Mirroring. Subtly and unconsciously mimic the body language of your listeners. This builds rapport and makes them feel more comfortable and connected to you. 5. Authentic facial expressions. Your face is a window to your emotions. Use genuine smiles, the Duchenne smile that lights up your eyes, to convey warmth. Ensure your expressions match your message to enhance credibility. Building trust and active listening as a tool. Ultimately, people won't truly listen unless they trust you and see you as a credible source. To build this trust, be honest and transparent. Don't exaggerate or fabricate. Demonstrate expertise in your field. And critically, fulfill your promises. Consistency builds reputation. And here's the paradox: one of the most powerful ways to make people listen to you is to be an excellent listener yourself. When you practice active listening, you show respect, understand their needs, and build a strong rapport. This reciprocal engagement makes them far more likely to give you their full attention when it's your turn to speak. The art of making people listen isn't magic, it's a powerful blend of psychological understanding, conscious communication strategies, and unwavering credibility. By mastering these skills, you can transform your interactions from mere exchanges of words into deep, impactful dialogues. So, my challenge to you: pick just one strategy from today's video, maybe it's practicing eye contact, or telling a more engaging story, and apply it in your next conversation. See the difference it makes, and share it in the comments. Remember, true listening begins with mutual respect and a genuine desire to understand. Give others your full attention, and you'll plant the seeds of listening that will return to you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.